and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Do you own a Volkswagen, Audi, Seat or Skoda and the boot doesn't open? So you unlock the car and you cannot get the boot open no matter what? Then I'm going to show you how to access the emergency release lever to open up the boot so you can either repair it or get to what you need to get to. Okay, so obviously to get into your boot, you're going to need to lower the backrest of the seat. So I got in the side that's wider, so this is the 60 of the 60-40 split. The centerpiece comes down. To lower your back seat, if you haven't already done it, there's a lever up here, and you either lift it up or lift it towards you. In this case, I'm lifting it towards me, and you can hear the release. You might be able to see the little orange piece there, and you pull the seat down. As you would have noticed, we've removed the partial shelf to give us extra light for the purpose of this video. But of course, if your boot doesn't open, you may not be able to take the partial shelf out and you'll need to climb through and maybe get a torch. So thanks for joining me in the back of the car. So yeah, we're in the boot space here. And if you can see, this is the little plastic little plastic door panel that will cover the emergency release latch. So it's designed to take the key of the car. Of course, if you have a flathead screwdriver or something else, feel free to use that. Push it in and up out of the way. So we'll cut to a photo of the lever, but it's a white lever with a cup in it, and it's angled that you turn it to the right, or sort of clockwise, you call it. The little lever is off the door. Maybe you'll climb face first in to do it, but I'm going to use my finger, and yeah, we're going to push it this direction, and I'm going to use my right arm to push against the gas struts to lift it up, otherwise it'll just keep closing. So if you heard that, I'm going to push up. So there you go. Without electricity or without the motor, this is how you open the emergency latch on a Volkswagen, an Audi, a Seat and a Skoda. This is particular cars is 2008, but it will apply to other cars like my wife's 2010 Seat Ibiza. So if your boot latch is gone, of course you'll be able to access the parts you need to get to now to replace it, or if there was something in here that you urgently needed to get, now you can. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope you found this video useful and enjoyable, I guess, watching me climb around. And thanks so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.